Good morning and happy Monday, year 4. My partner cut my hair over the weekend. I don't think she's done too bad, not the best, but most of my overgrown grey hairs are gone for the time being. So that's a double thumbs up. For me, I hope you all had a good weekend, managed to get out. It was quite sunny on Sunday. Hopefully, you enjoyed a walk or some form of outdoors exercise, ready for a good week of learning. In science, you have two really fun experiments this week that I wish I was there to do with you, but you'll have a lot of fun. What you'll need to get this week, if you can, I did mention it last week, spaghetti, marshmallows, midget gems like the little jelly sweets, and the small cocktail sticks, okay? Because you'll be building bridges and building towers out of those materials on, I think, Tuesday afternoon and Thursday afternoon. If you can't get all the equipment ingredients in time, you can just do that lesson a bit later in the week. It's no problem, but they're really fun ones, so hopefully you enjoy them. So, morning fluency to start you off. Our word of the day today is fascinate. So, same as always, see if you can find synonyms and antonyms, find the meaning of the word, and see if you can use it in a sentence. You have your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Be careful of your negative numbers and use your related facts. Also, don't be thrown off by the fact that I've got a 3-digit plus a 4-digit. Always put your greatest value at the top of column addition. Write the missing digits to make this addition correct. If your ones column has a 2 in it here, and my number ends in a 0, think about what your ones digit needs to be here. 2 plus something gives me an answer that ends in 0. That should be a really helpful starter for this question, okay? So your answers are about to come up on the next slide, so pause the video here. Okay, here are your answers. Let's have a look at the negative numbers again, something we've been working on in morning fluency for the past week or so. 3 subtract 5. So take away 1 is 2, take away another 1, 1, 0, negative 1. So 3 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is negative 2. Remember, that's not minus 2, negative 2. Again, let's go over our related facts. 44 divided by 4 equals 11. So 440 divided by 4 equals 110. If I'm multiplying 1/2 of the equation by 10, my answer will also just multiply by 10. Okay, let's break down the reasoning question then. Or before that, actually, I just quickly went over this question here. So as I said earlier, let's put our larger number on top. Make sure they're lined up. I've tried to do that. It's difficult on here. 8 plus 7 is 15. So I have 5 ones and I can carry my 10. And then 3 plus 4 is 7 plus my 1 that I carried over gives me 8. And then what we could do here, we could do 2 plus 6 is 8 and then 1. Or we know that I've just got 12 plus 6. So I could just put 18 in. Don't feel like you always have to do it so sort of uniformed and structured. You can see that's 12 plus 6 that's left, so 18, okay? All about mental strategies, quick fluency. So as I said earlier, your clue, 2 plus something in this ones column is going to give me a ones column of 0. So 2 plus 8 will give me that 0 in the ones column. Then from there, because I need to put something in my hundreds column, I can't put anything more than a 1 here. If this was 228 plus something, it's not going to equal 200. I'm already past 200. As is 3 columns, it's not going to want me to put a 0 to 8. It wouldn't make sense for the question. So this has to be a 1. So 128 plus something 2 equals 200. You may be able to look at those numbers mentally and go, okay, that is 72. Okay, because 130 plus 70 equals 200. So I can just remove the 2. If you're not that confident, we can reverse the calculation. 200 take away 128 will give me this answer here. And we can put that in our column subtraction and 72. Well done if you managed to do that. So today's timetable, just to finish off, morning fluency, you'll be finishing up now. SPAG, and then maths. Maths this week, we are working on that short multiplication method. 2-digit by 1-digit, 3-digit by 1-digit, 2-digit by 2-digit. We looked at this briefly for a day or two in week 1, but now it's fully part of our program over the next 2 weeks. Multiplication, simple arithmetic methods this week, division, 1 bus stop method, maybe chunking method next week. Okay, so it's a real focus just on methods. Break and assembly, English and read theory. English, we're going to be working on the end of our resolution, end of our problem, the start of our resolution. This afternoon, history, and then PE, Mr. Meachan's PE with the special challenges. Be sure to check out the special challenge with the cha-cha slide with some of us teachers doing it as planks. I'm looking forward to seeing some of the videos you send in. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye, Year 4.